How to change navigation voice language on Google Maps. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change your navigation voice language in Google Maps. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open Google Maps on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you need to find your profile icon at the top right, and then from there tap on Settings at the bottom. Once you get to Settings menu, scroll down here until you find the Navigation section and then tap on it. Once you are on Navigation, you can find Sound and Voice. So you can choose your mute state and then your guidance volume. And right below that, you have Voice Selection. Currently, the voice selection is English and the speak street names. Now you can select all voices from here. Select different voices you want. So let's say if I want something like, let's do Spanish, I'll just do Spaniel. And whenever I use navigation, a voice, it will start speaking in Spanish and give you direction in Spanish as well. Now that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.